Hi everyone, this is a video about this Kemei KM-5017 trimmer that has been recommended to me by a friend. That he mentioned that this one is a fantastic body groomer for men, especially from waist down. You can guess the rest. And it says here that the blade has been made in Germany, but the one that my friend had was a German made with German name. I'll show you the images, and the brand was Eichhorn Beauty. I'll show you the picture of that item in the box. And then here it says that the noise level is very low and the blade is really safe. It's not going to cut you or hurt your skin. And here it says something that is rather disappointing, that it says it takes 10 hours to charge for 60 minutes of use, but you can use this directly from the mains and nothing anywhere else. But at the back it says what it comes with, and it comes with limiter combs, 3, 6, 9 and 12 millimeters style comb, and is the blade is removable and so on. So let's have a look what we get in this package. So as normal, we have a basic user manual that half is in Chinese and half is in English, and is not really something special, and it tells you how to remove the blade and so on, because the blade is removable. Anyhow, it comes with this charger or mains adapter, and something is really strange about this because it says output is 4 volt AC 100 milliamp. I never seen 4 volt AC for charging DC batteries. Anyhow, maybe something is in there. I tried to open this, but it's sealed shut. I have to destroy this in order to open this. And this is the charging port, and we put this aside, and it comes with one of these death trap Chinese adapters that it says is earthed, but I do not recommend you to use this. And then with the cleaning brush, oil, and the combs here, the combs are really high quality, thick, high quality, is not bending or flimsy at all, is really substantial. And this is the 3 millimeters, and it goes up to 12 millimeters. And this is the item itself. The item is not really heavy, and this is the charging port, and this is the Kemei. Is not really nicely done. And here is the charging light LEDs, and this is the on or off button, and it sounds like this. And this is the blade. Is not zero gap, but is not bad. If you see anything there, that is a little bit of oil that it was in this plastic bag, which this one was put in here in order to preserve the blade, and it's full of oil. So I cleaned the bag, I cleaned the blade for you to just have a look. And here it says Kemei, and the blade is removable like so, and then you can clean here and there, and then a little bit of grease there. And the way to put it back is just put this notch here in that area, and then push this back together. And the blade is really the gaps between them, they are really tiny, and is not sharp at all, and it sounds like this. And for 1 hour use, for 10 hours charge, that is not really good because the battery is not lithium ion. So it says 3 volts 5 watts, but everything else, it looks nice. And I show you briefly the images that my friend sent it to me. This is the box of the German one, that it says Eichhorn, and the Eichhorn has been printed here, laser printed there. And I show you the other aspect of the box, and they are absolutely identical. I guess Kemei had copied this to the bone, and this is the Eichhorn there, but everything about these two are exactly the same. So I try this and report back to you if it's really good. But the testimonial of my friend was really positive. That's the reason that I bought this. And another reason that I made this video was because I couldn't find any videos in English about this, as this one supposed to be one of the good ones. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. Oops, the price of this unit was under £20, and the price of the German one, which my friend had bought it, was 230 Canadian dollars. So this is how Chinese, they are copying stuff and reducing the price, and I hope I'm gonna have no problem with this. Anyhow, take care of yourself, and until my next video, have a great time.